Hello, my name is Sander, co-owner at Afosto, and in this video I'll be walking you through the different settings of my organization in the admin panel of your Afosto account. To access the admin panel, you can click on the top right corner admin app, and then you'll be redirected to the admin application. And to access my organization, you can click on my organization and then on businesses. Here you can add and edit all of the businesses that are known within Afosto. These businesses are used as the vendor of a sales channel. So you can add one or multiple businesses here, which you use to sell your products through. It's quite important to fill in the correct information. So once you click add, you can add the name of the business, the addresses, so the visitor and the billing address, VAT number, phone number, and opening hours. So when you do this, we can use all of this information in the checkout of our system. So we can also use this on the invoices, etc. So it's quite important to fill it out correctly so we have the right details on the invoices and also on the checkout. For example, the VAT numbers can be used to deduct tax from invoices automatically in the system. So it's important to fill it in correctly. If you've already added business to your account and want to check the details, you can click on the line and then it'll open up that business, and then you can edit the details or add more VAT numbers. It's also possible to add different VAT numbers to a business if you have multiple. If you want to delete one, you can just click on the three buttons and click delete. And that's it regarding the businesses. Locations. In locations, you manage all the physical locations of your business, which could be warehouses, it could be shops, it could be externally managed warehouses, etc. So all of the locations that need to interact with your customers, for example, as a pickup location for orders or for sending orders to the client, you can add them here. If you add them, you have almost the same details as with the business. Only what we added here is cutoff times. And here you can say for each day when you ship orders from this location, what is the cutoff time. So it's, and we can use this information, of course, to calculate shipping times, etc. And this is actually only then for places where you ship products. And the opening hours are quite important for pickup locations. So we can show the customer when they are able to pick up their orders at this location. So add all of the different locations here. Also, if you have externally managed warehouses, then we, for example, through a fulfillment integration. So if you have your stock laying at a fulfillment company, you can also add them here, and then we can make a connection with them to retrieve the stock from that externally fulfilled location. And we do that through the fulfillment integration. Then we have the IMI integration, which is actually used for if an external software program manages the stock of this location. So what we can do here is connect, for example, Exact or Shopify or WooCommerce as the integration that manages the stock of this location. Then we have warehouse, which means if you use the inventory management software of Afosto, so it's not managed in an external software program, then you will see the warehouse connected to this location here. If you want to see what are the capabilities of the inventory management system of Afosto, you can just head to solutions and then click on WMS, and there you will see an overview of how Afosto works, the different products we have inside the WMS system in Afosto. Then suppliers. Here you can add multiple suppliers. So all of the people sending you stock, you can add them here. And we can also use it in the system. Warehouses, like I said, these are only added if you want to use our inventory management software. So if the stock is managed elsewhere, you don't have to add this. But if you want us to manage your stock, then you can add a warehouse here or multiple warehouses where we can manage the stock from. Domains. Here you can set up the different domains, for example, for your account environment. For the checkout, we have a hosted checkout, so we can send people to a payment provider and in a hosted environment. So, for example, you can here add checkout.yourdomain.com or whatever, and then we can use that to send people to pay for your orders. And the same goes for account and email. You can just add different domains here, and once you've done that, then we can add different options to it. I will make a separate video especially about the domains because there are quite some settings to go through. Inboxes. These are actually all the inboxes we can use to retrieve mails and send mails from. So we need to set those up to send people mails, for example, regarding their shipment, regarding their invoice, etc. So also here you can add an inbox. You can use a custom domain if you've added the domain before and it has been set up right. So the DNS settings are okay. Then it shows up here, and then you can select that, or you can use an Afosto domain and just add your company name or whatever in front of this, and then we can use that. Also, you can use a reply to address for the mails, because we use this inbox to send, for example, the shipment confirmation, and then when people reply to that address, you can change it up here. I think this is a broad overview of the My Organization settings. If you have any questions, you can always mail us at support@afosto.com or click on the chat button here and then just start a chat right away with one of our consultants who will help you with any questions you might have. And also you can always call us. The numbers on our website. If you click on contact in the footer, it shows up. It's in the Netherlands, so you need to put in +31. I will add that here as well. Hope this helps a little bit. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks for watching.